Hashtag arrest Narendra Modi is trending on social media. Know the matter. The hashtag arrest Narendra Modi is trending at the top spot on the social media platform X. Users are tweeting with this hashtag, alleging mishandling of people's health concerns regarding the COVID-19 vaccine. The surge in online activism comes after AstraZeneca, the manufacturer of the much-talked-about COVID-19 vaccine Covishield, admitted for the first time that their vaccine may have rare but serious side effects. However, hashtag Thank You Narendra Modi is also trending. What's the matter? The reason behind the trend of hashtag arrest Narendra Modi at number 1 on the social media platform X today is that the central government had launched a massive vaccination campaign. At that time, the government had dismissed concerns about side effects of the vaccine. Not only that, but Prime Minister Modi's photo was also printed on the vaccination certificate. What users are saying on hashtag arrest Narendra Modi? A user on the social media platform X wrote the company that makes Covishield has admitted that a heart attack can occur from the vaccine. Citing an example of the opposition, another user wrote Akhilesh Yadav is an intellectual person. He has studied abroad. He has a deep understanding. People are starting to understand today. Outburst of people on social media. A user named Paraminda Amber wrote on X, what name should I give to this love story? A massive public agitation should be launched for the arrest of both. It is necessary to teach those who play with the lives of the people a lesson. Here's some more tweets that are viral on social media. What users are saying along with hashtag Thank You Narendra Modi. Users who are tweeting with the hashtag Thank You Narendra Modi are expressing gratitude towards PM Modi and the government for providing healthcare facilities to every corner of the country during the corona crisis and for launching the vaccination campaign swiftly. AstraZeneca admits its mistake. The famous pharmaceutical company AstraZeneca has made a significant disclosure. They said that several side effects of COVID-19 may occur. AstraZeneca also revealed that thrombocytopenia syndrome, also known as TTS, can occur from the COVID vaccine. Due to TTS, blood clots begin to form in the body. Besides, the rapid decline in platelets in the body leads to an increased risk of brain stroke or cardiac arrest. AstraZeneca developed this vaccine in collaboration with Oxford University, which was produced in large quantities by the Serum Institute in India. Most people in India have been vaccinated with Covishield or the vaccine made in India. Source: Daily News. Published, the 30th of April 2024.